Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to review Wheat Wax Strip Hair Removal Waxing Strip. So this contains 20 strips in this packing, and this is specially for dry skin. So body waxing is a huge issue for every woman out there, but this is going to solve in just a minute. This product is not so expensive and all the details are written on the packaging itself, means how to use. This comes in 3 different variants. This is handy kit, contain 20 wax strip. 2 strips are stuck together to protect the waxy side, and 4 oil wipes to remove the wax and to hydrate your skin after means post waxing. So these are the details which contains in this particular box. So I would highly recommend this because right now I'm using this from last 15 to 20 days. This comes in 3 different variants like skin types: sensitive different, oily skin different, and dry skin different. So in this package, what you need to do is you need to rub each pair of strips between your hand to warm the wax, and this is the before, means my hand before, and then you can proceed with the waxing as per usual method. So like you need to pull out between this, you will be getting 2 strips in one single strip. So this wax strip effectively remove the hair, and one strip stays sticky for up to 4 to 5 application. Yes, up to 4 to 5 applications. So wheat wax strips are easy to use and does not cause any kind of irritation or any kind of redness. All you need to do is just don't be harsh on your skin, and this is suitable for like full body. You can use it on your full body, and then the oil paper that contains, what you can do is just remove that paper and apply it on your hand, leg, wherever you have used this wax strip. So you can apply it on there. So this is suitable for like leg, arm, underarm, bikini line, means anywhere you can use this strip. So this is the result after using it. I'm using it on my hand, and you can see the difference like before and after. The one which is shiny is the hand that I have used, like this strip I have used it. So you can see the difference, and means all the link I'll giving you in the description box. If at all you like this video, you like this demo, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and this was the live demo that I have shown to you. So I hope you like this video. Now we'll meet you on my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.